You're always on the move, and suddenly your stakeholders are setting up a meeting. You need to quickly check the latest opportunity details, update notes, or even log a call. But you're nowhere near your computer. This is exactly where the Salesforce Mobile App comes in to help you access your org from anywhere. Hello, I'm Shrey, and this is Getting Started with Salesforce. In this video, I'll show you how to enable and set up mobile access in Salesforce so you can stay productive on the go. Before wasting any time, let's dive right in. To enable mobile access in Salesforce, log in to your Salesforce org and go to Setup. In Setup, you'll see Salesforce Mobile App. Click on it, and here you can configure the settings to enable the Salesforce Mobile App for iOS and Android. Here, turn on the toggle for all the functionalities listed. Enhance lightning reports, enhance contacts, landscape support, dynamic forms on mobile, dynamic lists, dynamic actions, seller-focused sales mobile experience, and lastly, mobile builder for seller experience. Now scroll down to enable the customization section. Here, you need to update Lightning apps and pages for mobile. Click on Launch the tool and update. The setup here is ready, and now we can go to our mobile application and see how to navigate it. Download the Salesforce application on mobile from App Store or Google Play Store. After downloading and installing the same, open it and log in with your Salesforce credentials. Once logged in, you'll be able to see the app launcher. Right now, we are in the Sales app, but if you want to go into any other app, you can. And under the navigation bar, you'll see Menu, Files, Tasks, Leads, and Opportunity. Files are where you can see your documents or tasks you have opened currently. Leads are just the object information, and you can see your opportunities here. And this navigation bar is completely customizable. You can choose what you want to be displayed at the top. You can use the Salesforce app to update information as well. For example, if you want to add a new account, go to Accounts and fill in the details, and your account will be created. You can see it in the lists. Now imagine your stakeholders are asking about a particular account details. Then you can easily check it on the Salesforce mobile app while on the go. Open the account to access information, and in the related field, you'll be able to see that there is one contact, one opportunity, and 2 cases. And in the Details tab, there is a complete overview with revenue and more. If your clients give you a new task, then you can also assign a task within the app. Click on New Task, fill in the task details such as subject, name, related to, due date. Click on the Assign to field and select the user you want to assign this task to and set a status. Save the task and you're done. And that's how easy it is to set up and enable mobile access in Salesforce. With just a few steps, you can access data and update records right from your phone and never miss a detail in client meetings. Stay tuned for more such videos on getting started with Salesforce. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.